Alright, I found this 1999 Mustang GT convertible. I don't know. I kind of want it. I already have a 99 GT. It's a coupe. It's black that we're working on right now. And I don't know. You guys think I should get a second one? Should this be the second one? Let me know. I think if he would like take 1,000 for it, I think I'd give that for it. I just don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for two of them. And little update on this is it's running a lot better. I mean, we have to replace bank one, sensor one now. The O2 sensor, we have that part. We're gonna jack it up here in a little bit. Put that in. It hasn't stalled out for a little bit now when at idle, and that's one of the big problems was I found that I have a hole in my exhaust, at least on the left pipe over there. I was making another video and I discovered that you can see some light if you look in the exhaust. So yeah, definitely have an exhaust leak. That's gonna be on the checklist of things to do. As of right now, it has a catted H pipe, and I think I'm gonna put another catted H pipe on it actually, because I like the low aggressive rumble that these cars are capable of putting out. After that, I do eventually want to get it compression tested and then go from there. I mean, we're brainstorming at the moment. That's what we're doing, is brainstorming. Definitely need to get some body work done. I mean, it's not perfect. Definitely not perfect at all. There's some scuffs and stuff on it. Yeah. It's not horribly bad, but it could be better. So yeah, new exhaust in the plants. The body work, a new paint job, putting it back to black. New wheels. Well, not wheels, tires. I'm keeping the wheels on it. Just need new tires. They're kind of slick back here. And that's all I can think of right now. But yeah, thanks for watching.